Hey guys, Monday, July 8th, 2024, US session closed. Let's see what the Natgas Black Widow brought today. As you can see, we got this nice pop. We are above value area low of 234 and kind of like an inside candle where we close right now. So we got to see if we could hold above 231 and see we could take out 244, which is these points right here for tomorrow's session or the overnight. As you can see, the bulls showed up again. So the bulls showed up on the 8th. This is what day that I was watching, which is the 1/4. So let's see. Possible turning point. Statistical calendar was saying that it's a positive day according to the calendar, but in regards to making money, it was negative. So it was not in one accord, as they would say. It was going against each other. The next day that was positive was the 2nd. So that was the day of the seasonality, and it didn't play out. So let's see what's going to play out in the overnight. Let's look at our simple glance, and I'm going to go just straight to our daily. We're almost getting a MACD crossover on the daily. So let's see. Above linear regression channel, didn't get to kiss 225. That was 226 right here. And we are, I guess, hovering around this level of 237, right? 236, 237, that's right there. You got some of the moving averages here. And this is our weekly, I believe this is our weekly, this is our weekly Woody's pivot right here. The midpoint, and this is R1. So let's see if we could penetrate and continue going up. But so far, it's not that bad if this is going to be the turning point. We got Tom DeMark coming in the next couple of days. So even if this is a dead cat bounce, maybe they want to go even lower or kiss around, 218. Tom DeMark will probably be coming up also. Let's look at our APF. So far, nothing's really changed there. What I really want to show you, which I find fascinating, is my FT levels. So at the FT levels, we found support here, and we kissed a high. Today was 239, and these are FT levels. These are DNA levels of Natgas. That it's a proprietary system I have. And so far, we found support here, and we found support here. The next level possible resistance would be these right here, 279, 281. And if it goes down, this would be your next level according to the FT levels, which is 191 to 195. And this one should ring a bell because this was the April 14 low of 2023. Yep, 2023. Let's go into our midpoint chart. Nothing really on the monthly, that it's just at 225 there. Looking at the daily chart with the monthly pivot, this is your big level right here that I see that's realistic if we could get up there, which is 242 and 241. 242 should ring a bell. What is that? The 45 degree on the square of 9. So this is something you want to keep an eye on because that was the level I wanted to get in, but I got in at 243 and then got stopped out. So keep an eye on that. You can see here, things are looking a little positive, but mobile is still negative. And on the weekly levels, using the 4-hour chart, this has been a strong level, which is at 25%. That's that 238. And the mobiles were chopping around in my morning session video, and so far it broke above. Now we need to close above the 0 line, and the Stokes are looking good to the upside. PPS buy signal, this is where you would pull back. And maybe in this strategy, you would probably buy at these pivots. I'm still on the sideline. I'm not buying yet. And you're kind of chopping around the 50 moving average. But this is a level that we are fighting now. If we could get above that, Baby steps will be 242. Remember 241, 45 degrees square 9. And you got that 245. This is your midpoint for the week. So if it takes us all week to get there, that's a good sign. Because if we could close above there for next week, things will start looking really good for more upside. But this is the level for the whole week. So let's see how that plays. So this is your low, your mid, this is your resistance, and these are targets to the upside. Let's look at our daily chart, or daily levels using the 1 hour. So this was the spike we had, PPS buy signal. It also kissed the 200 moving average. This was your midpoint for today only, which was 237, and we were just chopping around like a lot of head fakes here and fighting this moving average. So let's see now if we could get above 237 in the overnight and stay above, what is this level? 232. So these are your two key levels for the overnight session until we get to the US. So if we go sideways here, it's good. If we go below 232, not good. This is a target here, 229, and then obviously the low of 226. And if that doesn't hold, there's going to be more downside. And I figure I give you these levels. Extreme for tomorrow, 223 all the way to 220. To the upside, extreme, and they could probably go higher, it'd be 245. You can see the hourly, but you know, the hourly is just, for me, it's intraday to get in and get out or whatever. I probably look at more the 4 hour for clues. Lastly, the square of 9. So 226 was our low. We went as high as 237, 238. So we're inching up to 241. So if we can't get there or kiss it and go back, this could probably be the range, or maybe 233 to 241, depending how the chop and the head fakes and the Black Widow is going to be doing her thing. But somewhere around here, I think that's what probably is going to be playing out, unless we could close above 241. So close above 241, probably a good probability of 249. But if we can't close above 241 or a 245, the high we did last time was 315, so 248. This probably be an area. 245. And maybe just back and forth around here. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on Natgas.